Hi friends, today I will do a comparison of Xiaomi 12 versus Asus Zenfone 9 versus iPhone 13. So let's see the detail of in and feel. Display comparison in detail. Let's discuss about camera. Let's start with Xiaomi 12. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera है 50 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 13 megapixel aperture 2.2 और telephoto 5 megapixel aperture 2.4 और STR LED flash. Let's talk about Asus Zenfone 9. It's have a dual camera setup and its primary camera है 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, अल्ट्रा वाइड 12 मेगापिक्सल अपर्चर 2.2 और STR LED फ्लैश. Let's talk about iPhone 13 camera. It's also have a dual camera setup and its primary camera have 12 megapixel aperture 1.6, ultra wide 12 megapixel aperture 2.2 और STR LED flash. Let's talk about price. Xiaomi 12 come around 50,000 of 8GB RAM और Asus Zenfone 9 come around 65,000 of 8GB RAM और iPhone 13 come around 69,000 of 8GB RAM. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.